wadde ng'enkuba ekedde kufudde mu kintu kirobedde bana FDC kubeera nambole mu bungi okulonda obukulembeze obujja. Bangi balabiddwako nga beeteekerateekera okulonda kuno kubaludde nga beesunga.
I pray that the good Lord above gives them a good resting place.
Ebyokwerinda bikwanaganyizibwa poliisi n'ekibiina kya FDC era nga bibadde gulugulu. Waliwo omusajja ono gwe tukutte ku kamera zaffe nga poliisi emukunguza naye nga mu kiseera ekyo mpawo ategedde kyabadde akoze. Abamu ku bakiise balabiddwako nga baliko bye beemugunya anti omutima mpola gubadde gubali bubi. Wadde kala za FDC zimanyidde okubeeza bululu ku luno abambadde ebimyufu abadde bangi nga n'abamu basibye obwero ku mutwe oba wakiri okwambala enkofiira. Waliwo n'abo abambadde engoye zonna nga myufu. Munda mu kizimbe abadde bakuŋŋaanirwa abawagizi b'abeesimbyewo balabiddwako nga baba obuwagizi okusobola okubazzaamu amaanyi. Teruludde essaawa mulindwa n'etuuka abeesimbyewo ne batandika okwanja buli omu ensonga lwaki yegwanyiza obukulembeze.
I am standing here as a credible candidate. I represent the interests of the common man. I am here to defend the revolution. I am here to bring diplomatic experience. I am here to bring fundraising experience from abroad and build this party. I am not here to be short-changed or settle for less.
My involvement in politics comes from background of advocacy politics. This is the first time I'm running for such a high office into this party. I've basically been in youth and student leadership of FDC. That's where I have been.
We have had many party presidents in this country. We have even had presidents of the country itself. It's not the individuals who matter. In our case, presently as we speak, this process in which we are engaged is the most critical thing that we need to focus on, ladies and gentlemen.
When Dr. Kizza Besigye was departing the FDC, you all know that we had structures that we were proud about. Today we are a shadow of ourselves. You may be the chairman, the general secretary, the mobilizer, the women league person, but you are there inactive.
Abamu babadde boogeza amaanyi nga basumba bali katuuti era ngeno babakubira emizira.
Parties that were formed before independence, but they are still in the opposition with less than 15 members of parliament. There are parties that were once or twice in power, but they still pride themselves with 6 members of parliament. I have not come here to build FDC to stay in the opposition.
True that there is no better future for Anacholi without a better future for Lemunyankole. It is also true that there is no better future for a Muganda without a better future for a Musoga. So that's where we are.
Today we have a divided party where there is pulling and pushing, where one in the top leadership has sworn not to work with the others, where when one of you falls, the others smile. You lose an election and the others are celebrating.
Since 2012, there has been instability because people could not accept loss. Unfortunately, Patrick, the people who could not accept loss are behind you. So how are you going to manage internal contradictions? How?
Okwogerako eri abakiise nga babaperereza bukuwedde buli bawagizi b'abeesimbyewo balabiddwako nga bawerekera omuntu waabwe wakati mu bidongo ebibadde bisindogoma ng'emizinga egiwamba.